G'day guys, I just thought I'd quickly show you my house. Obviously it's a work in progress. So I bought it. The only catch is I have to move it. So it was complete, but we're taking it apart. So double story, little kitchen down there, bedroom, another bedroom in there, another bedroom in there, or something, study, bedroom, or vice versa. Another bedroom in here, kitchen, little living area, front door. I've got a balcony there. Anyway guys, I'll be quick at this, but we'll jump into some time-lapse work footage. tidy, so we're done for the day. I had some problems just there, and so I gotta wait until I take this wall out or something. But yeah, some good progress is happening with puppy. Managed to get some of the kitchen done, that wall done there. So I didn't get that done today. That was from another video, but I decided to put that in. Getting all the roof done and all the insulation done. You guys would have seen that. But yeah, so some things I'm trying to keep nice, like when I'm pulling it out, and other things I don't really worry about. But like some things you can't really with the chipboard; it just falls apart. So, but I'm happy the frame's steel, so it's looking pretty good. Pretty happy with how it's looking. Anyway, I'm going to say that's it for another day. Thank you guys for watching, and oh, I might insert a little photo of the place. But if I didn't, that's alright. But I will definitely be back with another episode of this, because we have to take it right down and put the thing back up. So, but anyway, thank you guys for watching, and have a good one.